Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can plot graph in LabVIEW. So let's get straight into it. Plotting data depends on whether you want to see data as it arrives, charts, or a complete set of data all at once. So let's go and we will do it real-time hard monitor. So in block diagram, we will create a while loop. So right click on it, open this programming structure and then while loop. Draw a rectangle like that. Now we will jump to the front panel. So Ctrl E and right here again right click and we will select here graphs and waveform chart. So I will make it a little bit bigger here that we will see like we need to, so like that. And now let's go back to the block diagram. You will see this waveform chart right over here. Now place it inside of the value while loop. Okay, for easy presentation I will use random number, so I will take random number here and connect it to the chart. We also need to do here is create control, so stop button right here. And if I run this right here, you will see that we get some random numbers right here. And if we go to the front panel, you will see that this waveform chart is working right over here. And it's drawing a line where this random number putting in those values. So it maintains a history buffer and scrolls from left to right as new data points are added. Then what you can do on this graph is if you right click on the graph, you will see that you can play with visual items, so scale, legend, graph, palette, digital display. Then you have auto scale, X and Y update mode. We can scope chart, sweep chart. Basically, however we want that. So I will stop that and run again. And then we can also export this data to a clipboard or Excel or as an image. You can also use different charts. You have here some waveform graphs, X and Y graph. So it needs to be probably the same as this one right here. So I can show you with that one. So let's make a random number again and place it here. Something like that. So this will redraws the entire plot instantly using the collected data. So this is how you can plot graph in LabVIEW. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next